नमस्कार दोस्तों, this is Gaurav Mavi and I welcome you all in another English speaking session. So for the last 2-3 days I couldn't speak, I couldn't upload the video, but today I'm going to do that. I'm at my village and I just finished 5 kilometer running. I'm going to participate in upcoming Sunday marathon. I have enrolled myself in 10 kilometer category, and for that only I am preparing. I have tried to run 10 kilometer, I think last Sunday, so I think I can easily run 10 kilometer, but I just want to improve my timing. I just want to finish that test 10 kilometer in less time. Last time when I run, I took 72 minutes to complete 10 kilometer distance, but this time I am hoping I can complete it before 60 minutes. Today I ran for 5 kilometer in 31 minutes, and between that I took some pauses to capture some photos, because today weather is really good. It's amazing. Today it rained for 2 to 3 minutes, but it's cloudy and weather is very pleasant. uh, wheat as wheat are almost wheat crop is almost ready to be harvested. So at this time the weather, uh, farmers would not like uh, rain, because rain will damage the crop and the wheat production will decrease. It will have impact on our food security as well, because government provides subsidized grains to almost 75% of Indians, although many of them don't need it, because that scheme is for the people who are poor. But uh, now the rain has stopped, and it's going to I don't know whether it will rain again or not. So this was it. Yesterday I couldn't run. This is a wheat, this is a sugarcane crop, and sugarcane season is going to end in next 5 to 10 days. Sugar mill will be closed, and next session, I think in November end, it will again start crushing the sugarcane. So this sugarcane, I believe, is for seed to grow the next crop. And over there they have planted the poplar trees. Along with poplar trees, they have the wheat crop is also they have sown. So they are taking two crops. One is of poplar and one is of wheat. So poplar crop is very popular because in 5 to 6 years you can get at lump sum amount of money, and there is very less maintenance, very less hard work is required. And for in out of those 5 to 6 year, I think 3 to 4 year you can grow these crops like wheat or jaw, which is barley, and then you can harvest the poplar, which can fetch you very good amount of money. This in this field there was mustard. They have already harvested. As you can see, there is a pile of uh, uh, straw of mustard, right? And over there they have in that field they have sown the sugarcane, right? So agricultural activities are at his peak nowadays, because this is the peak time where they finish harvesting the sugarcane crop, and then they uh, sow the sugarcane, and they harvest the wheat and then sow the sugarcane. So over there, as you can see, this is a mustard crop which has been ripe, and now they have cut it. Now they will just I think using thresher they will take out the seeds from this, and then the straw and that will be separated. Straw and the mustard seed will be separated, and then they will take it to mandi, or they can have something for their own consumption. So guys, it's really wonderful. Air is very fresh. It's amazing to breathe in this kind of air. I'm really enjoying it, and it's good for me to practice my English speaking as well. I I was going through the newspaper also, so briefly I will tell. So in newspaper, this ongoing Iran, America, Israel conflict is still going on. I have read about two more conflicts. One is of Sudan, where more than 12 lakh people have been displaced. More than 5 to 6 lakh people have been killed. So it's really unfortunate. There's a condition of famine, and hunger. So people are dying of hunger, of violence. So it's really dangerous over there. And the reason of that conflict is the power struggle, right? And another conflict is in Congo, from where the Congo River flow through which, and the conflict is between the one group who is supported by Rwanda. The group name is M23. Again, the main cause of that conflict is the mineral rich region. I think Sudan, in that part, I think Darfur region. I think Darfur is from Sudan, and this Kivu region is from this thing, your Congo. So there, more than 70% of world cobalt production is takes place there, and because of that, that struggle is going again. Many millions of people have been died there, over there as well, and many have been displaced. So guys, these were the news, and one more important news is government has set their target, announced their target under the Paris climate. So they are have kept the target of achieving 60% of installed capacity, power generation capacity from non-fossil sources, and one more to, I think, 3 to 4 billion of carbon sinks they are going to keep by, I think, 2047, something like that. Okay guys, so it was nice talking to you all. Keep practicing your English. I know you will get better at it. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Jai Hind.